Hello everyone, this is Shilpa Sakhe and today I am going to give you angel card reading for the coming week, that is from 29th March 2021 to 3rd April 2021. So I have already placed 3 groups in front of you. This is group number 1, this is group number 2 and this is group number 3. You just have to look at the card and select one group intuitively for yourself, and that is your message from your angels to you. So I have already selected 3 cards for each group. First is what actions you can take in the coming week, what blessings angels are showering upon you, and how crystal spirit can help you in the coming week. I have already mentioned timing for each group in the description column. You can check and directly watch video for your group. Group 1. Now let's see what actions angels are guiding you to take in the coming week. Boundaries. I am clear and honest with others about my expectations. So coming week, angels are guiding you to maintain healthy boundaries. Angels are telling you to stand up for yourself, even if you feel that it may lead to a conflict. Just put up your expectations and true feelings with others, and that way you will be able to stand for yourself, and by maintaining your healthy boundaries you will respect yourself. Now let's see what blessings angels are showering upon group 1. You are safe. So angels are telling you that if you have any kind of fear, or if you think that it is not safe for you to maintain your healthy boundaries, it may lead to conflict or people will judge you, then angels are telling you that it is absolutely safe for you to maintain healthy boundaries. By respecting yourself, you will be able to create good relationships in your life, because your inner world creates your outer world. So if you start respecting yourself, other people will respect you, and that way you will be able to create good relationships. So it's absolutely safe for you to create healthy boundaries. Now let's see how crystal spirit can help you in the coming week. Orange calcite. Orange calcite is associated with sacral chakra and solar plexus chakra, wherein solar plexus chakra is related to your self-esteem. So angels are telling you to maintain healthy boundaries, and that is related to your self-respect or self-esteem. So you can call upon orange calcite, and orange calcite spirit will help you to come out of your shyness, and it will help you to get courage to maintain healthy boundaries. Now let's see what actions angels are guiding group 2 to take. Quiet. Go into peaceful silence and listen. So group 2, angels are guiding you to sit quietly and listen to yourself, because all the answers you are seeking are within yourself. So connect to yourself. For that, you can sit quietly in some place, close your eyes and take few deep breaths. Put your entire focus upon the sound of your breath. Notice them slowing down. Then ask questions and listen to the answers that come to you as thoughts, feelings, or visions. That way you will get awareness about the answers that you are seeking. Now let's see what blessings angels are showering upon you in the coming week. Divine purpose. So, are you asking that why you have come upon earth, or why you have taken birth, or what is the purpose of your life? So, angels are going to guide you with your divine purpose. So, by sitting quietly and connecting with yourself and asking questions that you are seeking answers for, angels are going to connect you with your divine purpose. Now let's see how crystal spirit can help you in the coming week. Nummite. Nummite is a crystal of achieving self-mastery, or connecting with your inner power, or recovering your sense of self. So, our minds are conditioned to pay attention to the negative and overlook whatever good is happening in our life. So, Nummite will help you to connect with yourself and know your inner powers. So, when you will sit quietly and meditate, that time you can call upon crystal spirit of Nummite. That will help you to connect with yourself easily and know your divine purpose. Now let's see what actions angels are guiding to group 2. Giving and receiving. I balance being generous and receptive because both are equally important. So group 2, do you feel like you are being used, or you are unappreciated, or are you resentful of your role as a caretaker, or do you feel guilty when you are receiving? So angels are telling you that you need to create a balance between giving and receiving. You have to create opportunities for you to receive. And when you are receiving something, you have to remember that it is universe that is providing you with those things and not the person. So you can receive it without any guilt. And same applies when you are giving. When you are giving to somebody, give unconditionally, because you are just a channel and universe is providing the people who are receiving through you. So create healthy balance in the coming week between giving and receiving. Now let's see what blessings angels are showering upon group 2. You are special. Wow. Angels are telling you that you are special, and whatever you are going to receive is because you are special and unique in your own way. So you don't have to carry any guilt when you are receiving or after receiving. You are receiving it because universe is providing you with those things, and that is because you are special. Now let's see how crystal spirits can help you in the coming week. Calcite. Wow, calcite is a crystal which connects you with the universal consciousness. So when you are giving or receiving, you can call upon the spirit of calcite, and it will help you to connect with the universe, so that when you will receive without guilt, because you are not receiving from the specific person, and you are receiving through universe. And when you are giving, you will be able to give unconditionally, because calcite will help you to know that you are just a channel or medium, to provide you with to provide somebody with whatever you have, and that will help you to create ease in your giving and receiving. So this was the card reading for coming week. If you like this video, please hit like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. Thank you.